Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here, cooling off a little bit today. Sun's going behind some clouds, but nonetheless, still very nice out there. We got Dark Bro, First, firsty in the chat, baby. What's going on, Rated Silva? How you doing, Dark Bro? John J, Dark Bro, DD214. All of you guys, so glad you're in here right now. Let's check the market out because Bitcoin was going on a little dip, seems to be going on a little rip. Very, very high volatility in the cryptocurrency space right now. Bitcoin falling all the way down to 25,800, jumping up very quickly to 26,500, and now on its way back down a little bit. Here's what you notice though. Continually testing these lower lows. We wicked down here, bounced back nicely, came down. You come down here, bounce back nicely, wick down here. So we've got a lot of volatility going on in the crypto space right now. And we got Johnny J with a super chat. John J, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Johnny J, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it. Almost first, man. Dark Bro got you on that one, but you're going to get him on the next one, John J. Dude, thank you very much for the super chat. And when Pat gets in here, John J, man, I missed it yesterday, but there was a shout out from Pat to you and your daughter. So if Pat comes back in here, I'm going to have to replay that super chat there. And since it was through Streamlabs, and read that one again. So I missed it yesterday, but if you stay in here and he comes in here, we're going to be replaying it just to let you know. Hey, you could have got it this morning. I was still asleep because I'm sick, and even when I'm sick, I'm still first when I'm awake. There you go, Dark Bro. I love it, man. You're fast, baby. Yes, I'm first. If I can place my hands over your names, I can't see you. D214, it makes perfect sense, man. Yeah, pull a John Cena on them, right? If they can't see you, you can't see them. It's good to go. I like it. I like the thought process, DD214. John J, man, thank you. Mina, hello. Good afternoon to you. Glad to have you in here right now. Coming back over to the market, guys, seeing how things fared today. AMC down $5.20 at the close. 2.62% lower on the day today. Shiba Inu coin, 869 points per coin. It is break even on the day. I don't like these lows that it's testing, man. I don't like these lows that it's testing. Shiba Inu coming down to 846. That is right where we want the support to be. Come on. 846 is low. We need to get a nice little bounce going in the crypto space. GameStop sitting at $20.68 at the close. Bitcoin, like I say, coming down but bouncing back up nicely there. The NASDAQ trying to recover on the day today, but finishing 0.36% lower. 12,284 points. Right here at that level of resistance. Don't know if it's going to be able to break through, but nonetheless, the NASDAQ still finishing lower on the day today. Dogecoin, 7.1 cents. Same volatility as Bitcoin. Ethereum, 1787. Recovering a little nicer than Bitcoin is there. Shiba Inu coin, 870. Bitcoin sitting at 26,462. Sorry. Mullen Auto, man. You got to watch out for Mullen Auto. I don't know when they did. Let's see when they did this here. May 4th. May 4th gives them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days. They need to stay above $1 per share, I think, through next Thursday. Okay? If they fall below $1 per share before next Thursday, they're not going to maintain compliance. This is a very, very important level for them to stay above. And if Mullen Auto does not hold, you know what? We already got a yellow. Let's take that yellow off there. If Mullen Auto does not hold this line at $1 right here, they're not going to maintain compliance. And coming down and testing 121 today is very, very dangerous territory, man. If they get a little bit of a sell-off going, another 25% decrease in the price of Mullen, man, and they do not have compliance and could be facing a delisting. Sundial barcoding all afternoon today, closing the day at $1.69. CEI $1.15. SPY closing at 411.62. BBAG having a decent comeback today, closing at $2.58. Isn't it crazy that after a 1 for 20 or 1 for 25 reverse split, whatever it was, they're back to the price, lower than the price that they were trading at like a year ago? And they did undergo a 1 for 20 or 25 reverse split. Highcraft Mining losing ground today, 3.66% lower, closing at 36.30. Netflix closing at 339.89. QQQ finishing 0.36% lower today after following the Nasdaq higher. Ape closing the day at $1.58, and MPW getting hit pretty hard, coming down to 764 at the close. It's a pretty steep loss for MPW, man. MPW looking pretty cheap, especially if they keep that dividend there. Let's see. I add up some people to my bag at 1080. Now I'm up. Very nice, Amina. What are you talking about? Pepe, or are you talking about something else? Pepe, is Pepe really going? Let's see where Pepe is at right now. If Pepe is pumping, dude, I'm gonna be happy because I got that robot. I got that robot trying to trade Pepe. Let's see what we've got. They claim Pepe's it might be starting to come back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what Pepe's doing. Here's what I like, okay? Here's what I like. Who comes in here? Troy. Troy comes in here. Pepe's pumping, baby. And Pepe is moving. It's a 50% move. It's a 50% increase in price since earlier today. Right, touching 1,000 points or 100 points per coin, jumping up to 150 points per coin. That's a 50% move. It is a very volatile move, but I love the fact that Troy comes in here all excited. That means emotions might be kicking back up. And ladies and gentlemen, what if we have a beautiful weekend where we make some money in some meme coins once again? Troy, I like it, dude. Keep the excitement, man. I would like to see it back up in the 2s, right? I'm trading it between 2 and 5 is where my robots got it. But, yeah, dude, Pepe on a nice little tear right now. I'll go with you. Remember when Shib was sitting at 5,500 and everyone was like, doom and gloom, oh my god, how can Shib be only 5,500? Dude, I wish it was at 5,500. Yeah, John Jay, man. Yes, I absolutely do remember that. And I'm going to tell you this, dude. I wish Shib was back up at 5,500 as well. You know, here's the simple thing that I like, okay? And I don't know if coins like, or if stocks like AMC would ever get back up to $70 per share. I don't know if Shib is ever going to break 8,800. And I hope that it does, right? And things absolutely point to the fact that it can. But I don't know. You know, I don't know if I don't even want to say names of these leaders out there. If these guys go out there and they ban cryptocurrency, how could it? Is the thought process. But I love when things are hitting all-time highs like that, because it means that literally nobody is losing money. Nobody is losing. Every single person that bought or is buying in is making money. There's not a single loser in the game. And I love to see that, man. That is what causes so much excitement. That's what causes all of the FOMO. And then, yes, dude, it is doom and gloom when prices come down 30% and somebody went out and invested $100 in it, and then they're all sad that they've only got $70 left because they lost $30. That is that's the tough part of it. They're very emotional. The doom and gloom did set in at like 6,000. I can't believe it dipped back down to 6,000. I got to get in on this dip. And it never came back to touch those prices again. So, yeah, man, I definitely remember it. Trust me on that one. I wish it would go back up there, too. Let's see. Hibro Clay, how are you? Ryan, man, where the heck have you been? I hope you're doing well, man. Just had to go through a really rough time. You know what, Ryan? I'm glad you're back in here. Very sorry that you had to go through a rough time, dude. You know, we all go through some rough times every once in a while. I have no idea what happened. I hope that everything is okay. And, you know, everything works out, man. So whatever the rough time was, dude, you made it through, or hopefully you're making it through, and you're going to be back in action, dude. So, Ryan, we're glad to have you, man. 20 grand, Clay. What would you do? Nothing too risky. You know what? Southpaw Slinger. I'm going to be honest. So, nothing too risky. Let me put it this way. If you've got a Weeble account, okay, your 20 grand right now in cash is going to be making you 4.1 to 5.8%. They're probably going to give you a little bit of a bonus if you, like, for first couple months on it. So if you don't have a Webull account, use the link in the description and sign up, make your deposit. So if I had 20 grand, one thing that you could do that is not risky, right, and allows you to keep it in cash, which is nice, because you're going to continue making that 4.1 to 5%. And they may up that because interest rates did increase last week. No, interest rates increased. I don't even know what day it is. It was last week when interest rates increased, right? This week was inflation. If you keep it in cash, dude, you can sell cash secured puts that are very far out of the money, that you basically have no chance of getting called on, and you're going to be sitting out there and making a decent return. So let's look at that real quick. 20 grand's a lot, dude, to throw into a meme coin, right? You don't want to lose $20,000. $100, I don't really care if you lose $100, right? You can make $100 in a day. But 20 grand, you don't want to lose that. So you want to get a little bit more conservative instead of going out there and trying to make $1 million overnight in a meme. Take a look at something like this, though, dude. If you're honestly thinking about, dropping 20 grand, and the way I'm approaching this is my brother's extremely conservative, even more conservative than I am. Right? I actually don't have a problem taking a chance every now and then and losing some money or making some money. But my brother's very conservative. So let's look at some cash secured puts. You are going to be staying in cash, and you are going to be continuously earning on that cash balance in an account like Webull that's going to be making you 4% a year, not 4 to 5% a year. Now, clearly, you're not going to get rich on that 4 to 5% a year, so let's pad that 4 to 5% a year that you're going to be making. You go out there, let's take a look at a stock like Amazon. I believe Amazon's right around $100 right now, okay? All right, Amazon's right around $100. It's at $110. You could almost get 200 shares. Amazon might pull back a little bit, and we can see here that it is reaching a level of resistance in this area. Tapped it. This is where it was trending before. Tapped it here, couldn't break, pulled back. Tapped it here, doesn't seem like it could break. It might be pulling back. So if you take a look at Amazon, dude, and you've got 200 shares to deal with, you don't even have to buy the 200 shares. All right, you keep 20 grand in cash. Come over to options, and you could look at selling some cash secured puts. Well, you've got puts, dude. Puts that go out, let's take it a week at a time, then I'll show you a month at a time. If you want to do this on a weekly basis, you could say Amazon's trading at $110. It is highly, highly doubtful that Amazon falls 5% this week. Because it is. Amazon doesn't really move by a lot during the week, and Amazon is a good long-term hold. And you don't have to use Amazon, for example, but you could use Tesla or Apple or Facebook or any of these stocks that you like out there. 5%, dude. 24 cents. You've got $24. You're making $50 if you sell 2 put options. You're making $24 on the first contract, and you're making $24 on the next contract. You're making $50. If you're making $50 a week, you're bringing in $2,600 a year, and that's if you don't allow it to compound. That's simply generating your return. Dude, $2,600 a year is roughly, it's like 12.5 to 15% interest on your 20 grand. Stack that on the 5%, you're sitting at nearly 20% annualized returns on just cash. Now, you could clearly go even further out, okay? If you don't really care to see it that large, you could go even further out, and you can make, 10, 20, $30 a week by buying these $8, $10, or $15 puts here, selling these $8, $10, $15 puts. And, what are the chances that Amazon's going to drop 10% next week all the way back down below $100? If it drops below $100 and they put it to you, you got yourself a good deal on Amazon. If it doesn't drop below, you made your money by selling those puts. You can go out a month. If you only want to invest in your portfolio every month, you go a month out from now, 28 days, right? 28 days. If you don't think that Amazon's going below $100, going to lose 10%, you're making $120 a month. $61 on your first contract, $61 on your second contract. All of a sudden, you're making $120 a month, staying in cash and selling those puts there. So that is something that you could stay very conservative in, staying in cash, unless, of course, you do get put. Amazon tanks for some reason. But, dude, look, you can. What are the chances that Amazon's going to drop to $90 in a month from now? That's a pretty steep decline in a company as big as Amazon, and you could still go out there and make some money on the month, conserve your capital, generate some income as well. So that's something that you could look at if you're interested in doing that. Definitely not risky, but a good way to generate some money there. I believe that will explode the next bull market and something is cooking behind the scenes. Mina, very nice. Pepe, I'm sorry. Something went wrong with my keyboard. Yeah, no problem, Mina. No problem at all with that. Dude, I absolutely hope that they do. I think that Pepe, I don't think that the run is necessarily over with. The fact that you got people like Troy coming in here excited that Pepe is moving a little bit today shows you that the excitement is still there. People are still looking at Pepe every single day, man. Oh, come on. Augie Inu. Oh, Pepe going down trend. Weston Joy. We want Pepe to go up. Come on now. Tim, hello everybody. What's going on, Tim? How you doing, man? What's new, bros? What's happening, Kenneth? How you doing, dude? Dark Bro, what's going on? Yo, Kenneth, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Tim, all everybody in here. Hopefully you guys are having a great day today. Tim, how you feeling, man? Everything going good with the legs and everything? You're killing me with the 22 watching and 3 likes. Go boppity that like. Guys, if there's 20 people in here and only 3 people click the like button, I have no idea what you're doing. Please click the like button. The 20 viewers that are in here right now are 20 high quality viewers, not just 20 randos that are sitting in here watching the live stream for the very first time. I can guarantee that you guys have watched this live stream before. So please listen to Emma D and click that like button. Let's see here. You know what? I want to come out and see what some of these meme coins are doing though. If Pepe is running, I want to see if we're getting a bounce in some other memes out there, because I like the fact that Bitcoin is bouncing into the weekend here. I'm going to make it one way or another. Tim, that's what I'm talking about. The dude's got his positivity. Bambi was crap. Went from 50 to 480, back to 139 at the moment. Dang, dude, that was a quick run and a quick fall off on Bambi, huh? Bambi, Elmo. We're going to look at Bambi, Elmo. We can look at Monkey. We can look at Bob, Bobo, Wojak. We'll take a look at all those meme coins here real quick. Johnny J! Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Fist bump. Baby John J coming in with a fist bump. I love it. John J, man. Really appreciate that super sticker. Really appreciate the fist bump as well, dude. And if Pat is somewhere out there, don't forget, man. Oh, you know what, John J? Let me just show this. And if Pat comes in here, great. If not, you're still going to be able to see it anyway. Let's see. He had this one yesterday coming through Streamlabs. John J, here's to you and your daughter. Always aim high. And you got that authorized hydration. 9,958 to go. John J, I don't know if you saw that one yesterday, but Pat sent that out to you guys. And you wanted me to make sure that you saw it, because I apparently didn't recognize it yesterday, and I wanted to make sure I got it today. Hypercycle, HYPC. All right, Crypto Dreamer, look at Hypercycle real quick, and then we're going to come back and take a look at some of those other memes and see how they're performing as Pepe is on its way back up, ladies and gentlemen. This is the action that you need to see here, okay? This is the action that you need to see. Pepe rolled in a little bit right now and gaining some traction. So very, very nice to see that. $780 million traded today. $600 million market cap. It is up 15%. And the games could just be beginning. Hypercycle. All right, Hypercycle HYPC, not doing too bad, 32 cents today, sitting up 7.69% on the day. It is, or on the 7-day, on the weekly, it is still down from 50 cents. On the monthly, it is still down. On the annual, well, it's only been out since May 8th here. So Hypercycle may be one that people could be buying on these little dips, but it's bouncing off 30 cents as a level of support. I do like that. And here's the thing, guys, 30 to 32 cents, that is a 10% move. So if you're just, bagging 10% back and forth, you can make a lot of money very quick. You don't have to 10x your money in every little coin. Let's look at my lady down here. My lady not bouncing back along with Pepe right now. Interesting to see that. People might be flowing out of my lady and back into Pepe. So you got to watch out for that, guys. My lady double testing this bottom that it had earlier today, around 500 or 50 points per coin, whatever that one is right there. $40 million market cap. Watch out for my lady. Let's look at Wojak. Let's look at Wojak right here. Wojak sitting up 36%. Wojak starting to pump with Pepe, guys. Keep this in mind. The memes might be back right now. One that I want to look at, Monkey. Okay, I found Monkey the other day, and it was running crazy with Pepe. Let's see what it's... Ooh, it's running crazy with Pepe again today, too. 73% on the day. Still very low compared to where it was last Friday. Way up here at 10x. You can get a 10x gain to the all-time high that you saw back here when Pepe was hitting its all-time high. 80 up to 800, back down to 80 down here. Monkey looking pretty low, but rolling with those Pepe gains there, guys. Take a look at that one. Let's see. What do we got? Bobo. Bobo's another one that people have been looking at. Is Bobo bouncing with Pepe today? Bobo bouncing nicely with Pepe today. Bobo up 130. Ooh, we might have a meme weekend, boys. We might have a meme weekend here. Bobo looking very good. How's Bob looking today? Bob sitting up 16%. Bob rolling with Pepe right here. You can see Bob moving back into positive territory. And 3 to 4, guys, that's a 30% gain just over the last couple of hours in Bob right there. You want to look at Sponge. Let's see what Sponge is doing. Sponge up 10% today. Now, I get a little bounce over the last hour here, but not as high of a bounce as Pepe, and still doing very nice on the day, but pulling back a little bit. This is a decent 60%, 50% gain right here, going from 49 or less, up 47 up to 75. So that's a decent gain that you guys had on Sponge earlier today. Looking at what's another? Pooh, another one that was running along with Pepe. Pooh up 5%, starting to bounce back a little bit as Pepe is bouncing back a little bit today as well. You guys might not realize it, right? Because, look, it's taking the price gains. 5% doesn't look that great, but 5% is being determined from way back here where it started the day, 3,000. And it's at 300. It's still at 300. Intraday lows at 1700 down here, back up to 32. That's 100% gain. 17 to this 34 right here is a 100% gain today that took place. These are some wild swings in these meme coins, and they might be rolling into the weekend here. So I do like it. I do like the meme coin action that we're seeing at the moment, guys. Let's see. Clay, still running the Pepe. Yeah, so Kenneth, I'm still running the Pepe bot, man, but I just left the parameters. I never changed the parameters, and it's only going to trade when it gets back up above 200 points per coin there. So it's just been sitting stagnant when it's under 200 points. It's going to start trading again between 2 and 5. So, still running it, man, but it ain't doing nothing at the moment. Doge bot has not had a lot of movement. Yeah, Pepe bot hasn't done... I could... I guess widen my grid out there, but it hasn't made a trade since it fell below 2. Crypto Dreamer, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thanks, bro. By the way, don't forget about me. That bro shirt would look good down here in South Florida. Yeah, that 2X. I do have to... I'm going to look at that one, and I'm going to look at one for Dark Bro this weekend here. Kind of get those things going there. And then I gotta, does anybody out there wear like an adult small? any girls that watch, anybody that's got, you know, a girlfriend, a wife, wears an adult small, maybe your kid wears an adult small. I've got a lot. See, we got, oh, you know what? Let me say this. We got STEM Day coming up, and I doubt my sister's watching right now. We got STEM Day coming up here on May 30th, and it's going to be the last day of school for a lot of those kids. I may print some shirts up since they're all excited. They know somebody famous, and they want to get their pictures. I might take them a bro shirt up there on their last day of school for STEM Day, and I think I'm going to use a lot of those smalls. But guys, I got about 120 small, long sleeve, like a dry fit type of material, kind of, you know, like the shiny dry fit type of material, performance material, whatever they call it. Yeah, dude. So if anybody wants one of those, start throwing some ideas out there, because I got a lot of those that could go. Homer's another one. We could look at Homer. Let's look at Floki as well. Why did they delete my comment? Mina, I don't know if somebody deleted it or if YouTube would have deleted it, dude. I think that YouTube is very good at deleting comments, and I really don't know why they've been doing that recently, but they have been doing it, and it may not be somebody in the chat that's deleting your comment. It's probably directly coming from YouTube. Let's see. Where we going next, Clay Bro? Southpaw. Absolutely. And you know what? That's a very conservative approach because it keeps you in cash, okay? You still make your 4% to 5% on your cash in Weevil, and it's a way to generate another 10 to 20% fairly conservatively, I would say, on options, making your own dividends, making your own income by trading those options there. And you can choose any stock for that matter, man. Dude, if you look at Fubo right now, you could probably be making a pretty decent 5% a week on Fubo, just trading options alone. But it is a lot more volatile than something like Amazon or Apple or Disney or whatever. So you keep those in mind, dude. I'm scared to get a position started in any of these new coins. I just have no idea what use what they have, and if Rogue will be pulled. Side note, thanks Claire for being with us each trading day. Johnsontown, thank you for being with me each trading day, man. You guys really have no idea, man. I really appreciate every single one of you guys that comes in here, keeps the chat going, and has fun every day. So thank you, more than you thanking me on that one. But you're right, Johnstontown, they don't have any use, dude. They don't have any use except people making money. And here's the thing, dude. You know, I know, we know, we're the smart ones, okay? Jumping in, we know it's a game. We know it's a money cycling game, right? It's 100% speculative to jump in any of these meme coins. There is no utility for them. There's no actual investment taking place. You're putting it in hopes that people continue to put money in, you know, after you, so that the price continues to pump up. You just have to pull your money out before everybody else pulls their money out. That's the game. And if you pull your money out before everybody else does, well, you've made money then. If you pull your money out but everybody continues to pour money in, you still made money, but you could have made more money. And I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to have to get over the fear of missing out, in the sense that if you would have left it in, you would have made more. Making money is the game. So whether you 2x your money or 200x your money, you made money. If you get in and it starts to fall, losing money is a very tough game, especially when we don't know that this bear market is going to end. Losing money is not something that we want to do. So Johnstontown, you are right, man. It is very dangerous. It is risky. And the game is, we get in. We provide a little price action for the guys that got in before us. But when do you get out? Because I highly doubt the rug gets pulled on Pepe at this point. The rug getting pulled on $1 billion coin like that after Binance and everybody listing it. If these guys actually stole the liquidity pool and pulled the rug, dude, they'd be in the same position as Do Kwon. They'd have the international police after them. So I highly doubt that they get the rug pull. But the pyramid could crumble, right? And if the pyramid crumbles, well, then you lose money. You just didn't get out in time. So that's the situation that you got to find yourself in with these memes, dude. They're not investments. It is a pyramid being built. You just got to get in before people start pulling the bottom chunks out. Hit the like button, subscribe, and become a bro. Listen to Tim, man. Timmy! Throwing that green name in the chat right now. And Mina grabbing it. I love it. Mina grabbing a green name. I love it when it goes to people that are active in the chat. Tim, dude, thank you very much. Mina throwing it out there. I love it. I didn't have to say it. You're the best. Tim, thanks. Greatly appreciate it. Mina, yes, 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 yes. Throwing the thanks out to Tim. Tim, man, thank you very much. Johan, what's going on, Johan? Haven't seen you in a while. Yo, bro, could it be that a lot of people sell off in the last period to buy meme coins? Yeah, you know what, Johan? It very well could be, man. So I do believe a lot of money is flowing out of other assets and into meme coins, right? The thing is, and you would be a multi-millionaire, potentially a billionaire if you had the courage, let's say, to trade that type of money. But you could be a pretty decent millionaire if you understood the psychology of why people are pulling out and going into specific memes. What makes Pepe the meme coin to buy? What makes Milady the meme coin to buy? What makes these other ones? You know, I understand that when Pepe begins to move, the other ones will move as well because people are just trying to grab something, man. They're trying to grab onto something at that point, and they want to see something happen. So I understand that aspect. But if you could understand why Pepe, why Milady, why these specific ones roll 5, 10, 15, 20, 100, 1,000x, I would say that you could fairly simply go out there and take $5,000 and make $1 million if you understood people's why to the specific coin before they understand why. Because I absolutely get why Pepe now, because it's moving and it's the one that's making money. But if you could figure that out before they jump into it, yeah, dude, you'd be a multi-millionaire for sure. Hello, Claire, what's going on, Sammy? How you doing? So, we can do a live streams on Mars on a beach. John J, I might have missed something. Can I send you a green screen? John J, I mean, dude, John J, you could, but I don't know if I really want to hook a green screen up behind me. Maybe if I readjusted this room or something, because there's a little bit of room back here. Like, I got a full reach, but not if I come this way. You know, then I'm moving. So I don't have, like, much room back there. And setting a green screen up would give me even less room since it's in a corner. But I did think about that. Old man advice. Institutional investors count on retail investors' greed. Take profits and play with house money. They do, man. And not only the institutions, but other retail investors count on you to continue jumping in as well. When it's as speculative as these meme coins are, the only game is getting in and getting out before everybody gets out. See Pepe going back to all-time highs. Guiba. Fairly simply, man. Fairly simply. I do, and I'll talk about that in 2 seconds, but I really don't think it's going to be hard for Pepe to double and triple in price from where we are right now. All it's going to take, dude, is a little excitement, and that excitement may be starting today. Maybe starting right now. It's already up 50% from where it was earlier. If it starts to roll pretty quick, yeah, dude, it's not going to be that hard to double or triple in price, man, and then roll back up. We'll look at it in a second. So we got another one. Troy came in. We've got Christoph coming in here saying the exact same thing. So we're going to look at it once again and talk about that, how it could turn back into some all-time highs. Yeah, Guiba, and it could do it this weekend. It could, man. It could happen, and it could happen very quickly if people begin to get excited. That's all it takes is a little bit of excitement. Samuel! Thank you very much. Samuel, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Guys, if you've got a question or want a shout out or anything, please let me know. Obviously, nothing comes over with the €1 super chat. You can't type anything with that, I don't think. So, guys, if Samuel's saying something in the chat and I'm missing it, please make sure that I see it with that super chat there. Sam, thank you very much for that, dude. I'm a great Sid, losing money's master's degrees specialist. John J, dude. I feel you on that one, man. I feel you. Here's the thing, though, dude. I don't know how long you've been in the market, right? But when you get in at the just end of a bull market like we had in 2021, and the beginning of a bear market, dude, it can mess with you. It can really make you think. Like a lot of these kids, dude, I know a lot of these kids that got in when Shiba was running. Shiba running basically puts you at the very end of a bull market. Okay, and if that was your first coin or your first investment ever, you're almost guaranteed to think that coins only ever go down and stocks only ever go down. Same deal with AMC. You know what I mean? Like if AMC was your very first investment ever and you see that AMC runs up real quick to $70 and you get in at 20 and you ride it to 70 and then it's right back down and it's only ever come down for the last 2 years. You're going to think, dude, that everything is fraud. And you're going to think that everything is meant to take your money from you. Well, here's the actual truth. Warren Buffett, although he hates crypto, and that's a very strange thing for me to see him do, he is right that you need to have some level of patience. And he's old, so he's been through a lot of bull and bear market cycles. These bear market cycles, they typically do last about 2 years. So we should be winding down on this bear market cycle. And then, dude, you might step into in the stock market, you might step into a decade-long bull market. And everything only ever goes up for, day to day it might go up and down. But over that decade, everything only goes up. We might be sitting on 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20x gains over the next decade off of this bear market here. And that's the patience that Warren Buffett talks about when he says, the market is just an instrument that transfers money from the impatient to the patient. You've got to live through these ups and downs to see the longer term up. So anybody that got in because of Shiba, anybody that got in because of AMC, you stepped in at the end of a beautiful bull market in the beginning of literally one of the worst bear markets ever. So it's got to be tough on you. Checked, put buy an X. So what's another course for meme coins? Buy an X only has the top 10. Tony D, man. I don't know where you can get meme coins. MEXC has a lot of meme coins. If you're looking for KuCoin has Pepe right now. It doesn't have a lot of these other meme coins. But, dude, the vast majority of these meme coins are only going to be tradable on Uniswap. If they start burning the coin, yeah, Guiba, if somebody comes out and announces that they're burning Pepe, I do think that, you can see a nice jump for it. Can you look at Papa token? It's a new one. Yeah, James, man. We've been looking at Papa for the last couple of weeks. We'll definitely look at that. Sarah, like in 2040 until the developers work for Shib instead of the ecosystem coins. Yeah, Tim, dude. Well, I don't know if the developers are ever going to work for Shib. I think that they're always going to work for theirs. Patrick. Oh, hey, John J, man. Patrick, did you see that I saw that I did the super chat for John J? I don't know if you saw it or not. Coming back down and catching up, guys. Have you seen the 3.7 billion burn of Shib on Blaze token? Have you seen the hype about Blaze? It looks amazing. Yeah, Samuel, I have seen a lot of the hype about Blaze. My concern with Blaze, though, and they have burned 3.7 billion Shiba Inu coin. That's excellent. That's nearly $40,000, man. Probably $30,000 to $35,000 at these prices right here. So it is excellent to see that they've burnt that much Shiba Inu coin. Typically, when you've got a coin that builds around another coin or builds around burning another coin like that, they don't usually stay in the limelight for very long. So watch out after a month or so if they're not burning coins anymore. So we'll keep them, we'll keep talking about them if they keep burning. But if they stop burning, it's going to be hard for people to want to keep talking about them. Let's see. Yes. Storm Blaze looking for Shib. Yeah. Danelle, oh my gosh, what's going on, Danelle? Where the heck have you been? Hello, Clay and all the Clay bros. Happy Friday. Hope everyone is doing well. Sunday is my birthday. I wanted to celebrate with you all. Clay is coming up on the 26th. Dang it, Danelle remembers all of it. Sunday's her birthday. And guess what? We're not going live this weekend, so everybody right now, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danelle. Happy birthday to you. Danelle, happy birthday to you. Thank you very much for coming in here. My goodness. So glad to see. And yes, unfortunately, we're not going to be live on Sunday. But Danelle's birthday on Sunday, guys. Happy birthday to you, Danelle. Absolutely appreciate you being in here. And you guys, throw some birthday wishes out there, man. Come on. Throw some birthday wishes out there. Boys, also hyperinflation. Yeah, you know what, Sarah? And like I say, it can be a very good coin. It can be. It just has to be good on its own instead of getting all of its attention from Shiba Inu coin. If it gets all of its attention from burning Shiba and the transactional volume slows down, the hype is going to slow down very quickly. We'll never stop burning Blaze. There you go, DHMA. He's one behind. Yeah. And you know what? Crypto King, he did very good with Terra Luna Classic and all of that as well. Or Levi. I don't know if he still goes by Crypto King since that one Crypto King got, kidnapped and beaten up for stealing millions of dollars from people. So Levi or Crypto King, whatever his name is now, he's the one behind Blaze. Yes, you are correct on that. Let's see here. I think I missed this one again, but Pat, we got you on this one. Here, hold on. We're going to let that one go off the screen, and then we're going to go, and we're going to get that one right there, and it's going to be good. I promise, it's going to be good. We've got John J, man. Are you paying attention? Because Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, dilly to Dark Brilly because he was first. And a special shout out again to John J and his daughter. Always aim high. Thank you very much. And hopefully, John J is still in here right now. 9,954 remaining. And Patrick, once again, with a Streamlabs super chat saying, nope, not on that one. I wanted to do this one right here. It's coming on the screen in a second. It says, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danelle. Happy birthday to you. Let me cook you some King Turkey, baby. Oh, yes. 9,953 to go. Oh, man. Delicious. Patrick, thank you for the super chats. Thank you to everybody right now for saying happy birthday to Danelle. Danelle, thank you very much for being in here. Haven't seen you in a while. Very glad to have you. The dips of the dips of the dips of the dippity dips. That's all of the dips. So, meme coins are running when bro coin friend. Dude, the last thing that I would want to see is bro coin come out and at the end of a meme coin rally and then everybody lose their meme coin gains in a bro coin or something like that, and it turns sour. That is the only, I understand it's a risk, and I understand you guys aren't dumb. You know that it's a risk as well, and nothing is guaranteed. But, dude, a bro coin just makes me slightly nervous to actually release because it is something that I will endorse, and it is something that I will, I would put my reputation on it if I had, if I've got control of it or whatever. It's not something that would be rug pulled or anything like that. But that's just why we got to make sure that if we do a bro coin, I want to do it right. And I want to be able to make sure that it's not something that we just throw out there and hope that it sticks. Danelle, thank you very much for the meow, meow, meow. Thank you very much, Danelle. And Tim saying, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danelle. Happy birthday to you. Everybody's singing happy birthday to Danelle right now. I love it, Danelle. Happy birthday. Yes. All right, Michael says, do I think the Terra Luna Classic can get back to 10,000 points per coin and beyond? Michael, I do, man. I think what we're seeing right now is a nice pullback in the overall crypto market, and it's translating to a pullback in Terra Luna Classic as well. You look at Bitcoin over the last couple of days, and I know that it's up over the last couple of months, and Terra Luna Classic is down. But Bitcoin has been having a very difficult, basically, week and a half, 2 weeks here. Shiba Inu coin, same deal except a longer time span. And this is a heavy loss, going from 1,200 points down to 800 points, guys. It's a 30% decline from 1,200 to 800 here. That's a large loss in anything, let alone something as big as Shiba Inu coin. And you guys might not realize this, but Shiba Inu coin at a $4 billion valuation is bigger than a lot of companies out there. It is a very large investment. So for Terra Luna Classic to be coming down and testing support as well, it's not that far out of the loop to be doing so. But here's the thing. Shiba's going to be testing these major support level at 800 to 750 points per coin. If it breaks through this, it could get bad for Shiba. You could drop another 50% to come down to those 500 point per coin lows that we saw after Shiba made a name for itself. If Terra Luna Classic falls, we can look at Lunk here on the chart, but if Lunk falls below where it's at right now, it's 8,000 points per coin. Dude, the only line in the sand that we have was from a year ago, right after it fell. So right down here at this 4,500 to 5,000 point per coin level. And if this 1 week level of resistance, or level of support, is broken, that's the equivalent of Shiba Inu coin at 500 points. Where could it possibly go? There's no support levels. Shiba Inu coin wouldn't have any support levels. So it is going to be very tough if it does fall down. But knowing it's got a lot of support in this area, I do think that it can bounce back. I don't think that it's necessarily done just because it's coming lower. Thanks for the support, Clay, bro. I just need to survive this difficult personal situation. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for your No, you know what, Ryan? I have no idea. Like, I do. You say thanks for your genuine concern and stuff. Like, I have no idea what you're going through or anything like that, man. And I know that people go through crap all the time. But what I do know, dude, is, you're going to make it through it. It's just a matter of being able to make it through it, dude. So whatever you got to do to get through it, man, do it. You'll get through it. Everybody always does. And you're going to be better on the other side. Just take as much time as you need to do it, man. Plain and simple. John J! Turkey King time. What? Thank you very much, John J, for the King Turkey, or the Turkey King. I really like it. John J, appreciate the super chat. And Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat. I understand you're going through something. You're going through some trouble. You've got some trouble in the family when you know what? You're right here with the bros. You're surrounded by 35 brothers right now. And Ryan, we've got your back like Michael had Fredo's back. And like old Al Neri had Fredo's back. When Fredo was in trouble and he didn't know where to turn, Al Neri took that kid fishing, brought him back. Everything was fine. Everything was fine. You might just need a little fishing trip with your old Uncle Al. Am I right, Ryan? Am I right? Pudgy, Danelle, Pudgy. I like it. Nice, John J. Heck yeah. Shiba at a $4 billion market cap. When there's a Shib revolution and Satoshi's dealt with Scam Toshi is basically telling the Shib army they can eat cake. Marie Antoinette reference. Well, I don't know what they did to Marie Antoinette with the cake, man. But it doesn't sound good, Tim. Doesn't sound good. And he does kind of say that, man. Satoshi has kind of like this superiority complex that he's developed over the years. And I get it, man. If you're at the top, if you're supposedly leading a $4 or $5 billion at $1.40 billion coin, and people are looking to you and you've got 1 million followers and all of that, you can begin to believe that you are superior. And that what you say goes and nobody else matters. So it is unfortunate, but that's what we got to deal with. Hello from Australia. Pepe is running. Angelo, I love this, man. This is the fourth dude that said Pepe is running. Let's take a look at Pepe and see where Pepe is at right now. King of the memes. King of the memes. It is up 13% of the day. 1537 right now. You might say, 12% gain, that's not really running. But you come back to earlier today, and it's sitting at 100 points per coin. right? And it's up to 150 points per coin right now. That is a 50% increase in the price of Pepe just today alone. If it maintains these levels here, guys, if it maintains 150, I don't know what time frame this is, 17 to 24, you got 7, like 8-9 hours from now. 8-9 hours from now, it is going to be saying it is up 50% on CoinMarketCap. Then people are really going to think that it's running. They might start FOMOing in. If it goes up any higher, if it makes its way back up to 200 points per coin, it's going to say it's 100% gain 7-8 hours from now. So, yes, Pepe technically is running right now, up 50% from the lows that it had earlier today. And, dude, if you were trading that on leverage right now, you'd be making some sick money. My gosh. Bounty coin. I got you, Toshi. There you go. It's it, man. Bounty coin, I'm telling you. I don't know if there's a person out there that would disagree with bounty coin, dude. Let me see. Let me meet him in person with that Spirito Complex. We'll see how long it lasts. Yeah, dude. I would imagine people who do meet him in person either have no idea that he's Shitoshi. Maybe his family knows that he's Shitoshi. But I've got no idea, dude. Like, in all honesty, I think the dude is Italian. And I think he's probably in his, I would say, mid-20s or possibly late 20s would be my guess. I would say he's Italian and his maybe like 24 to 29 years old. I could be wrong, but profiling him, I would say that Italian and mid-20s to late 20s. Just my guess. I want to know what you guys think, though. You think he's older? You think he's younger? I'm saying mid to late 20s, Italian. King of the memes today is Axel. AXL. Let's look at Axel, guys. What are we doing with Axel? Well, there's a lot of Axels. I don't think it's that one. Oh, it's probably this one. What do we got here? I am doubtful that this coin's got a $5 billion market cap and a $55 billion fully diluted market cap with only $350,000 being traded. Yeah, interesting here, man. Now, this coin does move because this is a drastic move here. There's like a 10x, man. Beginning of 2023, this did have a legit 10x and then gave back everything. And then today supposedly shoots up like 6 million% or whatever this number is here. Where do they say it's trading at 55 cents? I'm going to say that Open Ocean has a wrong price for Axel. Number one, they literally have $0 in volume today. They were updated 39 hours ago. And it's saying price excluded. I don't even know what that means. Price excluded. Volume excluded. I think that this price might be wrong. This 55-cent price is probably wrong here. And it's probably trading somewhere. This is crazy, man. Like, can you buy Axel on BitTrue for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 5, and then go sell it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? I want a Gate.io account. Or somebody go try this. Does anybody in here have a Gate.io account? I mean, look at this here. 5 zeros and an 8 is what it's trading at, supposedly trading at on PancakeSwap. If you could buy this at 5 zeros and an 8, and you could sell it for 4 zeros and a 2 on Gate.io, I understand that you're going to have fees transferring from, making blockchain transactions. The good news is it's BNB, so the fees are going to be low. But with the Gate.io account, can you just arbitrage this difference here and double your money? Like, take the fees. If you take the fees off, you're 150%. You're making 150% here. Can you go out there and double your money? Nearly triple your money? If you've got a Gate.io account, go try it. If not, I kind of want to leave this on the screen and try it. See if you could arbitrage this opportunity, or if they simply have the wrong price listed on one of these exchanges here. If you can go take $100, dude, and turn it into $200, go wash, rinse, and repeat that like 10 times tonight. Make $1,000 this weekend. Like, why not? You don't have to worry about the open ocean price. That's obviously fake news. But if there's that big of a price difference between PancakeSwap and Gate.io, go double your money, dude. Go double your money. Coming down here, I'm still waiting. Waiting on. Oh, wait, when Moas. Yes, dude. We're all still waiting, Danelle. Trust me. Yo, what's going on, Vo2 Podcast? How you doing, man? Thoughts on a Ben? Let's look at Ben. I've been putting off getting a job at McDonald's. Yes. Keep putting it off, Danelle. Keep putting it off. Clay, still on a lava lamp shot. Danelle, I put your lava lamp on display yesterday. It's turned off right now, but I was pretty sure it was yesterday that we went over all this stuff that people have sent. And yes, still no lava lamp shelf, unfortunately, Danelle. Hey bros, what exchange do you use for bots? Tony D. I use KuCoin. KuCoin has a good grid trading bot. It's very simple, because honestly, if you don't want to set it up and customize it yourself, you just go pick what token you want. And then it's got an auto option that you could just go in there. You could put in $50, $100. I think 25 is the minimum. But, you could put $50 in, $100, whatever you want. And say, all right, this is my price range. And I want you to trade 100 different spots within my price range. And then, dude, it throws up 50 different buys, 50 different sells. And every time it hits one, boom, 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 boom. Just bounces back and forth, man. And it makes a couple cents every time it hits a buy and a sell. Let's see. Shystero, she's 19, European, living in mama's basement in Venice. Has a small woo, and his fingers are Cheeto stain. Oh, God. 19. Dude, if he's only 19 right now, man, that would mean he came on the scene when he was like 17 in 2021. If he came on the scene at 17, man, oh my goodness. And he created Bone and Shiboshis and Leash and all of these things. That is a pretty smart 17-year-old. That's why I gave him mid to late 20s. Come on, where we at? Everyone, don't forget to show some love to your mamas on Mother's Day. What? Is it Mother's Day already? Oh my goodness, man. I can't believe that Mother's Day is already here. Mom, I love you. It's true. I do. If you're watching right now, I love you. In front of all 33 of my friends, I love you. It is true, guys. Tell your mom you love her. Bones is late, but I'm here. Happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there. Enjoy your day. J-Bones, baby. Heck yeah, man. All of the mothers out there, yes, please do enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend, enjoy Mother's Day, and hopefully all of the beautiful offspring that you gave life celebrates you for the beautiful mother that you are. I know, you know what? I don't even know what I'm going to be doing for Mother's Day. I'm sure we'll all get together and do something, but we usually get together on the weekends anyway. Till the next time, hopefully each and every one of you have an awesome day and a great Mother's Day. I like it. See Pepe chat, please. Ethereum Gaming, yes, pulling it up as we leave, guys, as we leave. Pepe sitting right. Oh, no, not that one. Not that one. Pepe sitting at 1534 as taking off for the weekend. It is at 154, 155 points per coin. Up 13.56% on the day. Looking very good. Hopefully it does continue to bounce back. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. We are going to enjoy the weekend. I absolutely know that you guys will. You guys know what to do, though. Get your names in the chat. We're going to be doing some shout-outs. Enjoying the weekend. Tell all of your moms that you love them, all that good stuff. And, yeah, man, that's the way to go. I'm sure your mom, she's going to appreciate the flowers. She's going to appreciate the t-shirt, whatever you get her. But she's going to appreciate the fact you tell her you love her even more. So make sure you do so. Danelle, shout out to you. Enjoy your weekend. Pudgy, enjoy it as well. Danelle, Tony D, Tim, man, see you later. Danelle, J-Bones, baby. Danelle, enjoy it. Thank you very much, and happy birthday to you, Danelle. Tony D, J-Bones, Danelle, Mr. Brian, Ethereum Gaming, Dark Bros, see you later, man. Back to the Future, enjoy your weekend. J-Bones, Danelle, John J, boom, Pepe this weekend. Let's get it rolling. Mr. Brian, J-Bones, oh, and happy birthday, too. Heck yeah. Aiden, see you later, man. Fist bump and peace out to you. Have a good weekend, Crypto Dreamer. John J, shout out to all the mamas out there. Back to the Future. Danelle, Back to the Future. Pika, if you're in here listening right now, enjoy your weekend. Stephanie, bro, we got Nick FSD, everybody else that listens. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me, Johan. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.